Goose Jesus fell through. Oh, Goose Jesus. Oh yeah, you gotta sit there and pretend like you meant to do that, right? That's funny. You're a funny goose. You're a silly goose. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Somebody help Goose Jesus. Are you okay, Goose Jesus? Hope Goose Jesus can get out. Goose Jesus is stuck in the ice. You guys aren't gonna help Goose Jesus? There you go. There you go, buddy. Good job, Jesus. GJ. Aw. There goes Jesus. Of course, the others have broken the ice to where they were. To where. Aw. This is some interesting goose behavior right here. Yeah, shake it out. Alright, I gotta go eat something. I could stay here all day. But I probably shouldn't. Okay. Bye, gooses. See you later.